Hey y'all, what is up? How you doing? What you doing? If you don't know by now, my name is Ellen Marie and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, then welcome. Today's video is gonna be a little different. I've never done one of these. I'm really excited for it and to see how it comes out, and I'm really excited for y'all to see this. Y'all let me know if y'all like it, and by the title you already know what it is. But today I'm gonna do like a pamper routine, I guess, and it's not gonna just be one day. So this video is gonna be a little bit of choppiness. It's gonna be a little choppy because right now I'm doing my hair. Let's sit down for a second. Let's talk. Okay, let's talk. So if you don't know, I am in school. I'm in college and classes start up. Today is Saturday and classes start up on Tuesday. So I have Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I have 3 days, or really 2 days, to get my life together. And my life is pretty much together, but I want to do something a little crazy for myself, you know? Give myself a little self-care before classes start, because classes start, jeez Louise. I'm going to do like a little pamper routine where I'm going to do my hair, do a face mask, I'm going to do my nails, I'm going to do my toes, I'm going to go shopping a little bit. Not really shopping, it's just for like my hygiene stuff, because I need some more hygiene stuff. I need some like lotion, deodorant, and body wash and stuff. And then we might get some extra little things. I do need to get some notebooks and stuff like that for school, so that's the plan. Now this video probably will be in like not 2 parts, but it'll be split between 2 days, because I'm gonna start today and tomorrow, because I do have desk shift today, because I am RA. I have desk shift at 3 and right now it's 11. I think I'm gonna finish my hair around that 1:30 to 1:30 mark. If I finish after, I'm just gonna go to the store after. And I do want to tidy up my room a little bit. I want to wipe everything down, but I want to do that after I do my hair. So yeah, we need to get it on a roll right now. Okay, right now I just got to shower off my clothes and stuff, and I need to make my bed. As y'all can see, my bed is not made. If you watch my videos, you know my bed is never looking like that. Never. But we're getting ourselves together, so that's what we're gonna do. So right now I'm gonna make my bed, then we'll come back and we're gonna do this hair, which I'm really excited about, because I found like a staple. We gonna talk about that in a minute. We're gonna talk about it in a minute. So y'all, if y'all enjoy this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you want more, then and comment it down below. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I don't know why my thing is crooked, but y'all don't mind it, okay? I tried to fix it. It didn't do anything. So now I'm just getting my setup, because I am going to be recording this, but I'm going to be recording a hair video for YouTube, because like I said, I want to upload at least 2 times a week, at least for a good 3 months, and see what that gets me, you know? But I'm using a staple product combo. Why is this so tilted like that? I found like a staple wash and go combo that I really love, using EcoStay products. So I'm going to use that, and I'm trying to use up my stash. Like I said for like the next 4 to 6 months, I don't want to buy any more products, because I know I have products that can work for my hair, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just getting out my products that I want to use for my hair, because for me, a form of self-care is hair care. I love to do my hair. If y'all don't know, I am like a natural hair, not guru, I would say guru, but natural hair like YouTube channel, or natural hair content creator. So love that for me. So I'm just gonna fill my water bottle up, or my spray bottle up with water. And sometimes I use sink water, sometimes I use aloe vera, sometimes I use bottled water. It just depends. And right now I'm gonna use bottled water, and I use a lot of water on my hair for washing those. So I'm gonna keep this on standby, but I'm gonna have my Mr. bottle of water. I'm going to be using the Curls Miracle Shield. This is from their strength recipe. This is like a heat protectant. It's really a protectant, heat defense, and environmental protection. But I'm going to be using this. Then I have the EcoSlay. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it says EcoSlay. This is their rice pudding leave-in conditioner. Love this. Then don't talk about my thing, okay? But this is EcoSlay 2. I have it in this bag because like the container, it has a hole at the bottom, so I don't want to waste no product. So this is their lemon buttercream. Love this stuff. It's super moisturizing. And then lastly, for like to hold everything together, I have their Eco Slay Jello shot. I don't know if y'all can see it on there too, but I have Jello shot. I have some more. I'm just trying to use the rest of this container before I apply any more to it. You know, I'm trying to use the rest. And I'm gonna use my Tangle Teaser. I've been going back and forth between these two oils. Y'all all know the Mio Rosemary Mint hair growth oil, that one, and then this new one that I tried for a campaign recently. This is the Alodia. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, but I think it's Alodia. This is their Learn, Love, Grow, Flourish Hair and Scalp Herbal Infusion. I think it's just like a hair oil. Don't ask me, I don't know. Anyways, so I have all my hair products here, so we're just gonna do my hair. Hey y'all. So I just finished my hair. Why is this little piece sticking out like that? I just finished my hair, so now I'm about to dry it. I just wanted to show y'all because this is like the thing that's gonna take the longest out of everything we're gonna do for this routine today. I don't know why my thing is falling, but yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna dry my hair and I'm gonna come back and I'll see y'all in a bit. Okay, so I finished my hair and I stretched it now, but I have to go to the desk at 3 and it's like 2:30. I think it's 2:32. So now I'm just taking my hair down. It's fresh, so it's not gonna be as big and as nice looking as I want it to, but it's gonna do. This part could be stretched a little more, but it's okay. Lately I've been doing like this fro look. So, ooh, they look a little crazy. I just have to fix it to the way that I like it to look. And I forgot my Tangle Teaser pick at home. And my pattern one is in my bag. So I got my pattern pick. The pattern one, and I'm just going to do the front. And the end. It's still a little crunchy, so it can be hard to pick on the first day. Okay, it looks a little wonky on the first day, but this side looks better than this side to me. I'm gonna get the front so I don't have that middle part. I tried to put the hair in the back so it wouldn't, you know. And I should have stretched this side just a little bit more. So this side still looks a little sparse, but for the most part, I think it's fine. I'm gonna take a bobby pin to put in the front because my hair is too long in the front. Oops, somebody's honking outside. And this is my hair. It still needs time to get bigger in the cast for the cast to break. So that'll happen over the 2 days that we're doing. But yeah, this is what I got so far. And I'm gonna go to the desk, so I will see y'all in a little bit. Hey y'all, it's Monday and we're gonna start my little pamper routine. I haven't gotten in the shower yet. Don't ask me why, because it's 3:48. Don't ask me why I haven't gotten in the shower yet, but I'm about to get in the shower. But first, I'm really scared to like show y'all my toes because they look atrocious, but I'm gonna show y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all yet, but I want to take the polish off, and I can't remember if I got gel or if I got like regular polish. I think I got regular polish. Y'all see? They look nasty. But yeah, I'm gonna take the polish and stuff off, and then I'm gonna get in the shower, exfoliate my feet and stuff. We're gonna come back and we get these feet together, and then we're gonna do these nails. But I don't know if I got gel last time I got my feet done, so I have acetone, and then I'm using my friend's drill if it's like gel, because you know gel you can't use acetone to get it off. You have to like scrape it off or whatever.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast and you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Tyler Berry.
Okay, so I finished my ters. I finished taking the polish off, I should say. It still needs some work to them. Don't look at them. Don't look at them. They still need some work. But I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower, do me a good shower routine. I got some new hygiene products that I might show y'all in here, or either I'll show y'all see in my other video. But yeah, I'm gonna go out in the shower and then come back and we're gonna do these toes and these nails because I have the desk at 7 and it's 4. So I'm gonna try to be done by 6 so I can eat something. But we'll see. So okay, so I just got out the shower. It's 4:41. So it took me like a good 30 minutes to shower, like 10 minutes to get dressed. Maybe less than 10 minutes because all I did was put lotion on and stuff. But yeah, we're about to start these feet. So I want to clip my feet. And then I think I just want to push back my cuticles a little bit. And then I'm just going to paint them. I have this white nail polish. I don't have any clear, so work with this. This is from LA Colors. These expire. I've had this for like ever since I've been in college. I'm just gonna shake it up a little bit. But we're gonna start the process of me doing my turds. So I'm going to clip them. I just want to trim them down. Anybody else, their pinky toe like so small that it's literally nothing to paint.
But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down.
Clipped them and they look kind of better. Let me see if I can show y'all. They look a little better. I don't know if y'all can see it. But I have this little nail file that I'm gonna use to like get them. I have a bigger one too, but I'm using that one for my nails. So we're just gonna file them a little bit, make sure they're nice and straight or whatever.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no baby.
Okay, so I'm gonna push back the cuticles just a little bit. I don't know where I got this from. I think I got it from home. Okay, it is working. Back the cuticle. Okay, now it's time to nail.
In the meantime, just some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell.
Okay, so I finished. I don't like them, but they're gonna have to do. I'm gonna let them dry. Let me see if I can show y'all. And I had to wear these shoes. These are the only things I had that were like flip-flop. Y'all see them? They look kind of good. I don't know. But now we're on to the nails, so I can put y'all up a little higher so y'all can see me. So for nails, I thought I had some French tip nails left, but clearly I don't. Like the regular white French tip ones, but clearly I don't because I don't see them. So I have these, and these are more like fall nails, I feel like. I kind of really don't want to do those, but I think I might do those because those are like the cutest out of the ones I have. In here, there's some purple ones and then there's some like different shades of blue French tip ones. I'm thinking about doing this one or the purple one. I really don't want to do the French tip ones. I really didn't like them. I think I'm going to do these just because they're cute. So first what I'm going to do is match them up and then I'm going to trim them and stuff. So I went ahead and lined them up or like matched them with the fingers I want, so I have enough. I don't really think I like these colors now. I don't know. First, what I'm gonna do is push my cuticle back with these. They come with like the cuticle thing, so I'm gonna use that. And I also have this metal one, but I want to trim my nails first because I just trim my nails all the time before I add press-ons. It's just easier and keep my nails healthy and stuff. So I just trim them like that, so they go from like this to like that. I think this looks way better. Okay, so this is what we're working with. Look like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and push the cuticle back, and then I'm going to make them rough because when you make them rough, it lets the glue adhere better. And I don't think any of the nails glue work. I do use a little bit of it, but I don't like fully rely on that. When you push your cuticles back, it'll allow for you to get more space on the nail. It'll look like more natural. And I've been doing press-ons for like a good minute. Let me tell you something, this is way cheaper than going to push your nails done every 2 weeks, you know. Now if you want to do that, go ahead. I just don't have the funds for that. Now we are ready to file them. This is what they look like once I push all the cuticles back. I'm just going to file them to make them rough because this is going to help the glue adhere better. It's going to make them last longer too. And this is going to take me a minute, so I'll probably be back after I do this. Okay, so I am done. And they should look somewhat like this. They should look white. I'm getting ready to start Now, y'all, please don't come for me, but I do use Gorilla Glue as yeah, you know, I do use a little bit of this, but mostly the Gorilla Glue because it makes it last longer. I have one that's already opened though. Okay, I have one of these that I already have open. I'm just gonna use that. We're gonna apply them, so I'm gonna show you how to apply one or two, and then I'm gonna just go on a roll because I'm on a time crunch. I need this piece of paper. This is gonna help me get the excess glue that I don't need. So what I'm gonna do is I start with the pinky. I lift the pinky, and I do like to file mine just a little bit, just so it'll be more sharp. And you can do this once you put it on, or you can do it before. I like to do it before most of the time, but sometimes I do it when it's already on my hand, and I think I'm going to do that just because I'm on a time crunch. And you can do a little bit of the edges, that way it looks more natural to your finger. I'm going to apply this glue to my nail, but the Gorilla Glue to the fake nail. Do one dot. I don't know if y'all can see. There we go. One dot, if I can get it. That's one dot, and then one dot of the Gorilla Glue to this. And try to make it a good enough one, okay? Because you want this to last. And I like to smear mine in there. And then when you do it, you want to mush it. So start at the thing like this, like turn it and slide it into your cuticle. Try to make sure I'm right. Okay, slide it into your cuticle and then lay it down flat. And this will let you know if it's crooked. See how it's not on there yet? If I mush it down, that's going to tell me if it's crooked or not, but it's not. So I'm just going to smash it down, and I like to hold mine for a good 20 seconds. And then I'll take this little thing and I'll get the excess glue out because I hate that. That's the only part I hate about these. I'm going to still hold my finger, or push my nail and my finger together so that, you know, it adheres. But while it's gluing, I like to take the excess glue out because the excess glue be doing too much. And I blow it sometimes not, just depends. And there goes one. And see how that looks kind of natural? It looks natural to me. And we're gonna leave it just like that. Okay, and we're going to the next one. I might show y'all on this hand because it's better for me to show y'all on this hand. So I'm gonna do it again where I'm gonna make it a little, because right now it's kind of like, it's not straight. I want it to be straight because I like my nails to be kind of pointed. And then after I got that, I put one dot of this on my finger. Ooh, that wasn't a big enough dot. I can't really show y'all on this. Yeah, I can. Okay, so put it in your cuticle. You can slide it or you can just lay it. And I'm going to make sure it's straight. And then I'm just going to push it back like that. And that's a little crooked. Now with this, you have to be quick if it's crooked, okay? Mine's a little crooked, but I can fix it in a minute. And there you go. And I'm gonna do the rest. I'm gonna fast forward it, okay? Okay, so I'm finished, and this is what they look like. They look good. I don't really like the matte, but they look good. I just need to fix my cuticles a little bit and put some oil on it. But they look pretty good. Yeah, this is just some oil that I'm gonna put on my cuticles, just so it'll be like, you know, it'll look better. So I'm just gonna put oil on my fingers. So if I just go like that, y'all see that? I'm gonna show y'all the difference if I don't do it. So this is my hand look like this, and this, it's like a big difference. Ooh, smell good. I'm gonna clean this up and put your lips. So I have to keep bending down. In all honesty, I'm kind of done with my routine. I did my hair, I did my nails, my toes. So this might be the end of the video. I might pop a picture in of everything right here. I did it in a quicker time. It's 5:46 now. So period, record time, period. And of course the whole time I listen to music and stuff. I'll link below some drills, some like stuff like nail polish and stuff in my bio. It'll be in my Amazon storefront. I'm gonna get back to y'all maybe, and if I don't, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what your pamper routine looks like, what's your self-care routine, and make sure y'all are subscribed before you get out of here today. And I will see y'all in my next video.